select right here. And then what's new to the 2025 years is if you get to this page, which has all the apps, you can select where it says driving settings, and they brought back the auto start stop feature. So if you select it on where it's highlighted, it turns the feature off. So the car won't be cutting itself on and off with the mild 48-volt hybrid battery system. So that's actually what's new for the 2025 year. A lot of people like that because in 2021, BMW took it away. The button used to be right down here, as a lot of you might remember. But because BMW with the iDrive 8.5 and with a bigger screen, they have moved a lot of the buttons that were down here inside of the computer. But one of the features they have brought back is the auto start feature.